a TV station, our TV tower that is stands vertically on the bank of the canal. From the point on the other bank means let Q be the canal width of the canal, other bank directly opposite to the tower. This is directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the tower is 60 degree, and this opposite to the tower is 60 degree. From the other point 20 meters away, from the foot of the away, on the line joining this point of the foot of the tower and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, find the width of the canal and height of the TV tower. Okay, let H be the solution. Let H be equal to height of the TV tower and QB is equal to width of the canal that is already we have taken, that we can say x, that is say. Okay, now when it moves 20 meters away from that point Q, away that point, the angle of elevation will become 30 degree. Okay, so now in right triangle AQB, we have to find out H also, X also. We have to find out the width of the canal also, height of the TV tower also. AQB is equal to AQB, that is X by H is equal to tan of 60. Therefore, that is equal to root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Therefore, H is equal to X by root 3. Or root 3H is equal to X. We can write that also. Again, in right triangle, APB, H upon, this one will be H upon X. H upon X. So X root 3. That is X root 3. Okay. Then X root 3. It is H upon, this whole thing can be written as, PB can be written as 20 plus X. 20 plus X is equal to tan of 30. Yes, that is perpendicular by base is tan 30, tan, okay. That is equal to, implies, it is H is equal to, that is tan 30 is how much? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Therefore, H is equal to 20 plus X divided by root 3. Okay. From equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, 1 and 2 is, we get that X root, both of them are equal to H. So I eliminate H from both. That is X root 3 is equal to 20 plus x divided by root 3 implies it is 3x is equal to 20 plus of x implies 2x is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20 by 2, that is 10 meter. 10 meter. Okay. 10 meter is the width is equal to the width of the tower. Width. It is the width. Width of the canal. Width of canal. Width of canal. Now we have to find out h, height of the height. So therefore, now I write h is equal to 10 root 3. H is equal to 10 root 3. X is 10. 10 root 3. That is equal to 10 into 1.732. Root 3 is 732. That is equal to, I multiply, that is 17.32 meter. That is equal to height of the tower, height of TV tower, TV tower. TV tower. Okay, this is the sum we have done. Question number 5. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. That means 60 degree and the top of the cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression is of the foot is 45 degree. Then determine the height of the tower. Okay. Then here the building is CD and AB is the tower. Now obviously we complete a rectangle here. This will be 7 meter. 7 meter. And let the height be h here. That is E. AE is equal to h. Okay. Then the height of the tower will be h plus 7. H plus 7. Now, solution, I write the solution. CD is equal to 7 meter. That is height of the building. We have to explain the figure. Because this is a subjective paper, we have to explain the building. ING, building. Okay? And AB is the tower. Is the tower. It is the height of the tower. Height of the tower. That is equal to 7 plus h. 7 plus h. We just assume this approx. That is safe. Okay. Now the angle of elevation from the top will be to the top will be 60 degree. Now in right triangle, AEC, see this is right angle. This is right angle. Okay. And total is right angle. AEC, that is h upon this, let it be x, distance will be x. The AEC, h upon x is equal to, this will be also x tan 60, because let distance of the tower, distance of the building and the tower is equal to x meter. Yes, x meter. So we will write h by x is tan 60. That is equal to tan 60 is what? That is root 3, implies h is equal to root 3x. Yes, root 3x, tan 60 is root 3. Okay. Again, in right triangle, CDB, sorry, this is also 7 meter. 7 upon x is equal to tan 45. That is equal, tan 45 is what? Tan 45 is 1. That is 7 upon x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Now, so I have got the value of x is equal to 7. Therefore, height of the tower, h is equal to root 3 into 7 from 1 and 2. This is your 1 and this is your 2. Root 3, 7, that is equal to 1.732 into 7. Multiply, hurry up. That is 7 2s are 14. Good. 12 meter. And you have to find out the distance, determine the height of the tower. H is this. Therefore height of the tower will be x, that is h plus 7, h plus 7, that is equal to 12.124 plus of 7, that is equal to 19.124 meter, etc. Okay, 19.7 plus this one. Okay, so have you followed?